met on October, is it 18th?
21st.
Oh, 21st. She was standing with a group of her friends and she was holding a Moscow Mule. And it was in a copper mug and I was holding I think it was a Jameson and ginger ale. And it was in a black, just a regular mug. I go up to her and I'm like, hey, what are you drinking there? And she's like, oh, Moscow Mule. I'm like, wait, I'm drinking Moscow Mule. And like, how come you got a copper mug and my mug is regular?
He thought it was the greatest, smoothest line ever, and I was like, okay, good for you. You didn't get a copper mug.
We started talking from there, and I tried to get her number. And from my memory, I think I got it right away.
But from my memory, which is more sober, he had asked multiple times. My friend Grace came up to me saying, hey, this kid keeps asking for your number, and I was like, okay, all right, I'll give him my number. So the thing is, I think he left out a very key part.
I forgot about that.
So when he introduced himself to me, he told me his name. He said his name was Kevin.
Well, the reason why is because I was like, oh, my name is Isman. She's like, what? It's like, my name is Isman. It's a loud bar, right? So I think I had to say it 3 times, and after that I was like, okay, fine, my name is Kevin.
And that's when I was like, okay, cool, Kevin. And then when he texts me after, he's like, hey, my name is Isman. I'm like, what? Who is this kid?
Or say, hi, this is Isman. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a lie.
Yeah. But then I had texted her. I was like, hey, did you want to get ice cream sometime?
Which I think was a little bit more different than, going to a bar and getting drinks for the first date. So I was like, okay, I'll see what he has to offer, I guess. The dinner itself was something that I didn't expect. What kind of happened was just that I felt really at peace talking to him, and that's when I kind of felt more comfortable, and we kind of clicked right off the bat, I would say.
I think it was in the beginning of December. She brings up, she's like, have you ever been to Joshua Tree? So I was like, oh, I haven't been to Joshua Tree, but like it's always been on my bucket list. It's never been on my bucket list. Like I don't have a bucket list. And so we go camping, and then we just have like a really like awesome time, memorable time with each other. And then at that point, then I decided like I like really like this girl. Like I want it to be official. Like I don't want this like lack of labels anymore, and I wanted her to be my girlfriend at that time.
Throughout the 2 months that I had been talking to him, I knew he was a really great guy, really intelligent, really talented, had a lot of hobbies. I, on the other hand, and so I felt like I wasn't up to par already. And so that Sunday morning we were having mimosas, and we got a little bit tipsy, and we were talking about his hobbies some more, and at one point he said, oh, did you know that I'm also a licensed scuba diver? Scuba diver. And then I heard that and I was like, oh, so amazed. All I do is, go to work and come home and watch The Office. That's all I do. But then I was so overcome with emotion, I started crying. And I think you were saying at this point, you had been wanting to ask me to be your girlfriend, but you just didn't know how.
I just didn't know when the right...
And all of a sudden I'm like bawling. You don't know how to salvage the situation.
Yeah.
So he starts comforting me. He's like, hey, it's okay. I'll teach you how to swim. You can scuba dive one day too. Don't worry about it. And I was like, I don't even know how to swim though. That's the main part. And then as he's comforting me, I have tears on my face. I'm all ugly. And then he says, do you want to be my girlfriend? And I'm like, oh my gosh. But I think that's kind of been a kind of a recurring theme in our relationship. I've always been the emotional one. He always comes in and asks the question at the right time. Yeah.